See, these IT parks here are already in a good condition, but the 5-point program is targeting how can we improve these IT parks even better. So when we say it's going to even get better, we have to retrofit because we would like to see how can they be performing economically more efficiently, environmentally much more efficiently, and at the same time how it can improve the work environment and improve the employability of the whole area. So with this target, we started looking at 5 different points, strategies to retrofit the IT parks. The first one is going to be targeting the buildings, because here you have very large buildings housing lots of employees in the IT sector. And the idea would be to see how can we retrofit these existing buildings into green buildings. So we have a green building rating system by the Indian Green Building Council. So we would see how can we make energy efficiency, water efficiency, for example. How can we have better lighting system? How can we have better plumbing systems so that we at the end are able to get energy savings, cost savings, water savings, and in the overall they comply with the green rating. And we would expect to see many of these office buildings are getting converted into green factory buildings, green office buildings. And similarly, we would like to see also these buildings are made barrier-free, improve the access to the physically challenged and disability persons. Because many of them may or may not have infrastructure for such people to go inside the offices and work. So we have to study and then we have to help them to undertake those modifications so that these IT sector, which is already giving a lot of employment to a lot of people, would also be able to cater to the physically challenged and disability persons. And the third thing which we would like to see is also the waste management. The waste management, both the e-waste, because in the IT parks you have a lot of e-waste. We have to see how this whole e-waste is getting properly collected and is not getting haphazardly thrown here and there, and see how this can also be used for recycle and reuse. For example, we see a lot of opportunity for these end-of-life computers can be retrofitted and can be used by the NGOs for training, or by the society. Some of the society sections can take over such computers and start using it. Similarly, the solid waste. There is a lot of solid waste coming, and we see a huge opportunity to see how the wastes can be converted into products. For example, from organic waste, you can look for preparing a vermicompost, or you can look for from paper waste, you can produce paper products. So it can give employment, and it can also help you to reduce your wastes. We would also like to see that there is completely a litter-free zone, and there is completely no garbage thrown around. So we need to bring a system in place. And we would the next aspect is going to be to see the bicycle to work. Here we have seen a lot of enthusiastic employees already using the bicycles to come to the work. And many of them have expressed it's helping them to improve their, for health reasons, sometimes for fun. Sometimes they say it's good because it's pollution free. And so we need to now bring the necessary infrastructure in place. You need to have bicycle stations, bicycles, parking spaces, bicycle tracks. So the organization, Trident City, is going to work on this particular aspect and see how we can benefit that. For 4 to 6 months would be the time we need to undertake a study, and also to get the voluntary commitments by the companies. Telangana State Industrial Infrastructure Corporation is the driver to this whole program. They conceptualized it, and they are driving the whole program, and they would do all the facilitation to get the results getting implemented in the next stage. So they will take the responsibility of guiding, motivating, or monitoring the whole activity. And the volunteering companies would be responsible for implementing the measures. And all these partner organizations that we have would be responsible for giving the technical support and guidance. Thank you very much.